Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not showing. So first of all you have to do is go to the Instagram app and long press the icon of Instagram until you see app info. Click on app info. From here what you have to do is go to the storage and cache section. First of all you have to do is clear the cache, which is 544 MBs in my case. In your case it can be any other kind of storage. So once I've cleared the cache, it will take a second and then I will launch my Instagram once again. But if the problem is not solved yet, once again all you have to do is go to the app info once again, go to the storage and cache once again, and this time you have to clear the storage or delete app data. You have to click on delete. Once you delete the app data, then open Instagram once again. You have to log in to Instagram once again. So after you sign into your Instagram, so what you have to do is open your camera, and then you will see the filters will be start loading on your story section. So that's how you can fix Instagram filters not showing. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.